Hidden deep in the remote Bavona Valley of Ticino, Foroglio is one of the most picturesque and untouched villages in Switzerland. Surrounded by towering granite cliffs and dense forests, the peaceful hamlet is famous for its impressive 80-meter-high waterfall and charming stone houses with slate roofs. In this video, we take you along Foroglio's quiet cobblestone lanes, alongside rushing mountain streams, and into the heart of Swiss alpine beauty. If you are a nature lover, a hiker, or simply seeking a secluded retreat, Foroglio is a place where time seems to stand still. Located in the Bavona Valley, lovely, peaceful Ticino village, Foroglio, Switzerland is enjoyable throughout the year. This forms part of the Vallemaggia District, which is well worth a whole day exploring in Ticino. Foroglio is known for its beautiful, historical village with lots of character. It's very unique to visit, even if you only have 1 hour to spare. It's a place you should visit at least once, when in the Ticino canton of Switzerland, even with bad weather. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems from Switzerland and beyond.